I'm not kidding when we say that we take in about 1% of all the stimuli that's available to us at any moment. There's so much more that we're missing out on if we just go, wow, let me notice, let me observe. So what you do focus on expands. Savoring simply means you let the enjoyment of the thing you're focusing on expand. Kind of like a roller coaster ride. You ever been on a roller coaster? Wouldn't it be the stupidest thing? I wrote about this. I think in the stress management class we played with this a little. Imagine being on a roller coaster ride going, man, I hope I get a parking place. Or where are we going to eat tonight? Because some kids like Mexican, some kids like Italian. Where are we going to eat tonight? While you're on the roller coaster. Now, if those are your thoughts, you can only think of one thing at a time. If those are your thoughts, you miss the roller coaster ride. And that's what happens to us all the time, all life long, is we keep missing the ride. And this is how we enjoy the ride, is we let the enjoyment of this moment expand by staying focused on it without judgment. Oh my gosh. Like we do with the sunset, like we do with the roller coaster, like we do when we're holding a baby. Oh my gosh. Wow. And you just, the breath and the smell and it's so, do you get that? Have you ever been in a conversation with somebody and you know they're not there? Don't you just love that? That's why I hate cell phones in my class. When somebody comes to class and they have a cell phone out, that tells me you're not here with me. You're with somebody else, so leave. Because I don't want you here with me if you're not with me. Do you get that? Now, if we go this way, have you ever had a conversation with somebody and then suddenly it's morning?
Suddenly it's what?
It's morning. So you've been talking all night. You just had that wow moment where time kind of just stands still or time just flies or whatever. But the experience of that moment is so full and rich and you're just savoring it and all you care about is being there in the moment. We've all had that. We all have this a lot. Now, here's where gratitude comes in. Because as you get to here, you tune in and then you let it expand and you're just going, wow, gratitude is the emotion that seems to always follow. Oh my gosh, I'm glad that I get to be with you guys right here, right now. I can't be with anywhere else. I'm with you guys, and how cool is that? I'm so grateful. It is impossible to be grateful and stressed at the same time. The two thoughts are diametrically opposite as far as you can get. If you're grateful, there's no sense of threat. There's a total sense of safety. So we get to savoring and we just go. You notice how. And this can be in a hockey game or a football game or doing anything else that we do. Next time we're going to figure out how to apply this because it sounds good theoretically so far. But when you get into situations, you think, well, this doesn't apply here. Cute idea, but I'll try it every once in a while. What I'm after is, can I do this all the time?